on this marvelous Monday. It is an exciting week. We had a lot of great things going on this week, starting tomorrow with 6th grade awards, which will happen in our cafeteria at 2:15 p.m. A lot of you received invitations to go to these awards today. Teachers, you will receive a list later on today just to make sure you know exactly who is supposed to report to the cafeteria at 2:15 tomorrow. Students, I hope you gave your parents their invitations because they are invited to attend as well. Same thing with 7th grade awards on Wednesday at 2:15 p.m. So we're going to celebrate our 6th and 7th graders this week, which is an exciting occurrence. And on Friday, we're going to say goodbye to our 8th graders and the 8th grade walk. So it's an emotional time, but it's also a time for celebrating. And we'll say goodbye to our 8th graders as they walk through campus for the last time. Parents are also invited to that as well. It's going to be a great week. But before all those celebrations and party type things happen, we need to remember that we have final exams in a lot of classes this week, or CSMAs, depending on what the case may be. So we will be maintaining that academic focus so that everyone can do well on those final exams. So let's keep that in mind. And the last 3 days of school, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there are no backpacks Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Your teachers have the supplies that you need to be successful on those days. Ladies, you may carry a small purse, approximately the size of a piece of paper, which is 8.5 by 11. Or, of course, guys, you can bring your lunch in your lunchbox as usual. Someone asked me about Grad Venture backpacks. Those are smaller than 8.5 by 11. Therefore, that is also acceptable. We're going to have a great week, Bulls. Let's make sure today is a great day. You have the ability to make it so. The choice is yours. As always, go Bulls.
Hey Bulls, it's Lydia Nishwitz here to inform you that there's only 36 yearbooks left. You gotta get them before they're gone. You can go online on the school website and pay on RevTrack. Then you can get your yearbooks from Miss Ramirez. There are so many memories and cherished moments in these yearbooks, and I know that from experience for sure. Get them before they're gone. Go Bulls.